we are featuring the Alex kit. This is a cool little submersible light with a 1-watt LED bulb. Little transformer here, plug in, and about 16 foot of cord. This is submersible, but we have a lot of other ideas for it. It's a little accent light that you could use anywhere. Does not have to go underwater. This absolutely cannot go underwater. It has a clear lens that comes with it, and then also some colored lenses. So if you want to change the color, I think I have red in this guy right here. So it's a neat little light, and I have a couple examples of something that you can do in your living room or anywhere else if you want to get a little bit more light in a room and draw somebody's attention to maybe a plant or a vase or anything like that. Here's a couple ideas that you could do in your living room. Let me show these to you. I'm going to shut these lights off here. All right, so this right here, this is just a fake plant, of course, and I just put a warm white Alex kit behind it. You guys, okay? Very good. So that's just one idea. And then this guy over here, it's just a vase. I actually put the fixture down inside the vase. This is the cool white. So it's shining up on this. And so I think that's it's a neat idea. There could be a million different uses for it. I'm sure if you have any need whatsoever to just draw somebody's attention to something, that would do it. Just put a little bit of light on it. So this is a cool little accent light. Put it in the water if you want to. Put it in a vase. Put it behind the plant. Put it somewhere you want to draw somebody's attention to. And you'll have a cool little light. Thank you very much.